Hi, and welcome back to another quick guide. Today, I'll teach you how to set up voice control on iPhone. Setting up voice control on your iPhone lets you navigate the phone hands-free, and it's easy to do so. And here are the easy steps to set up voice control on iPhone. First is to unlock your iPhone and open the Settings app. Scroll down and tap Accessibility. Tap Voice Control. Toggle voice control to on and wait while your iPhone downloads voice control files. Tap Language and choose your preferred language, then hit Download to move forward or the chosen language to download. Now go back, then turn on Show Confirmation, turn on Play Sound for feedback, then say Voice Control On to activate it. Use commands like Open Settings or Go Home. Say Show Numbers to tap items by number. Say Scroll Down or Swipe Left. Say Voice Control Off to disable it. Helpful tips: works offline after setup, great for hands-free control, useful for accessibility and multitasking. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.